Hello viewers, this is YangaLife channel and you are welcome. Yes, today we are going to give you another update concerning the reps. They said that House of Representatives to investigate Umahi's concrete road technology. Yes, that is the update we are going to give you today. But we are not going to stop at that, just that update. We will also give you, in addition to that, what the federal government, has to say. That the federal government to commence integrity tests on buildings, bridges across the country. Yes, these are the two major, updates that we are going to give you today. So just listen and give us your attention so that we can move along with the development of events. You remember last time I made an update on Awka Onitsha Express Road construction. The other lane is yet to be done, and they've just started work on it. But after the visit of Dave Umahi, the Minister of Works, he told them something about the use of concrete. But that last update, the most current update on that road, I told you guys that nothing is going on there again. There is no construction work going on there along Onitsha Awka Expressway. That the construction company, which is RCC, they have moved all their equipment on the site to their yard. That is the last update that we gave you guys concerning this issue. And what brought about that is because of the face-off, disagreement between the Minister of Works and the construction company, majorly on the use of concrete technology to build the road. But we also added that time in that video that since initially the concrete technology was not in the agreement, there should be a kind of renegotiation towards that. If really the federal government wants them to use the concrete technology, there should be a renegotiation. But if you ask me, I don't know if the concrete technology is going to be more expensive, of which it looks like it's going to be more expensive. And the minister, if you ask me, was just being honest, to cover his own office, to make it innovative and do some projects that will last for the country. So that's why he brought about this concrete technology, and he has tested it and trusted it, because he also gave a guarantee of 50 years based on the ones he has done already when he was the governor of Ebonyi State. The roaster said there. He also added that concrete road technology is better for this part of the world where there is too much rain, this tropical rainforest area. He said that it is better to use concrete technology than asphalt. And owing that asphalt being imported into Nigeria is adulterated. So he made all this known to us during his visit and subsequent appearance. So, but we are going to go into details of what reps wants to do concerning this concrete technology and the Minister of Works. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, please share our videos, and drop your comments also, so that we can interact to make our places, our society a better one. Thank you as you do that. So let's proceed. So yes, great viewers, let's go into the details of our discussion today. Yes, earlier I told you guys that the House of Reps to investigate Umahi's concrete road technology. And so many dailies carries this information, carries the news that we are going to go into the details now. But this particular one I'm going to present is coming from the Daily Post. Yes, so let's go into the details and see what is exactly happening. The House of Representatives has resolved to investigate the adoption of concrete technology for the road construction as ordered by the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi. You see how it goes, as ordered by the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi. This was sequel to a motion moved by Zainab Bukhar on Thursday. In the motion, Bukhar said the adoption of concrete technology for road could have significant cost implication for contractors. Then she said the minister is pushing for the adoption of the road construction system without adequate study of the comparative implications. That is what the lady said. That Zainab Bukhar, she is the person that moved the motion for for them to look into this issue of concrete technology. So, but let's proceed. So the lawmaker expressed concern that the Minister of Works' new policy on cement concrete pavement adoption without in-depth studies of the comparative advantage or disadvantages with asphalt may contradict technical specifications, yes, potentially leading to contract breaches and potential arbitrations and litigations during a challenging economic time. Okay, this is what she said. She's just expressing her views concerning the economic implication for the contractors and the litigative aspect of it, because it was not in the initial agreement. That's why I said earlier that, well, it's good to call a spade when the minister wants to adopt that technology. Even though he's so passionate about it, there should be a kind of renegotiation. Even if there is no difference in the previous contract and the present one, it's just for them to have a brief talk on it before commencement. However, we have not been told if the minister has already briefed them or they had an agreement or whatever. But we are to have the details of that discussion when it happens. I mean, when the reps will invite the minister, we are going to have, we hope to bring it to you, the details of that discussion. But however, let's continue. Consequently, the lower chambers mandated its committees on works, environment, finance, and judiciary to investigate the merits and demerits of using cement concrete for road construction and asphalt, and report back within 3 weeks for further legislative actions. Yes, that is the what transpired, what happened for during the plenary at the House of Representatives concerning the Minister of Works and the issue of concrete technology in road pavement. Well, having said that, like I told you initially, the discussion is not going to end there. We are going to move further for a further discussion in respect of what FG, the plans on federal government to commence integrity tests on buildings, bridges across the country, so that to reduce this issue of bridge collapse, building collapse. That's what we are going to look into today now. Yes, it is there. Some of the dailies also carried it, but we are going to have this from Vanguard. He said that the federal government says it will soon assemble all relevant stakeholders in buildings and construction sections to test the integrity of all major bridges, bridges across the Nigeria and buildings across the country. The Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology, Chief Uche Nnaji, stated this on Wednesday during a facility visit of the Abuja office of the Nigerian Buildings and Road Research Institute in Abuja. So I'm surprised also we have something like this, an institute like this, and we are still having all this bridge and building collapse, here and there. But however, I thank God that it has been brought to limelight. So let's proceed and see the way forward in this our discussion. Then he said the exercise became necessary as one of the strategies to addressing the growing menace of buildings and bridge collapse across the country. Then the Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute is a strategic agency in our national pursuit of innovations, sustainable development, and infrastructure excellence. Yes, this maiden visit offers me a remarkable opportunity to witness firsthand the groundbreaking work within these walls. Then the collapse of buildings and bridges is not merely a matter of structural failure. It is a grave social, economic, and safety concerns that demand our immediate and unwavering attention. Yes, that is what the minister said. So, but the minister did not end there. He continued, "We shall soon reach out to and partner with other stakeholders and relevant professional bodies, particularly in engineering, for the integrity testing of all major bridges and buildings across the country." Yes, they will go around to be testing bridges constructed, buildings, all major buildings constructed, across the country. That is what the minister said. Then he urged the NBRRI, that is the Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute. Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute, that's the NBRRI, not to rest on its oars, but strive more towards addressing other critical issues, begging for solutions in the road and building sector of the Nigerian economy. That's what the minister said. He continued, your mission to drive advancement in construction, road infrastructures, and building technologies aligns with our president's vision for modern, prosperous, and technologically driven Nigeria. It is also heartwarming to learn that NBRRI has substantially implemented Executive Order Number 5 and other essential policies of science, technology, and innovations in Nigeria. This is what he said. And he did not also end at that. He continued, as you know, our ministry places a significant premium on Executive Order Number 5 to set our country on viable and sustainable economic growth and rapid transformation using science, technology, and innovation instruments and platforms. Yes, this is what the minister said. Then he did not stop at that. He still continued. Therefore, your disposition to noticeably implement the Executive Order Number 5 reinforces NBRRI leadership role in research and R&D for our nation's overall growth and development. Responding to appeals to address NBRRI's challenges regarding the Institute's mandates, recruiting highly skilled research officers to drive the Institute, and low funding, he assured them that he would use his good office and every other means available to address them and to push for President's assent to the NBRRI's bill to enable the full use. Well, this is what he said, when he was, accosted to throw more light on the issue of employing highly skilled officers and the issue of fund and the rest of them. That was his response. Then let's still continue. Earlier, the Director General of NIBRI, Professor Samson Duna, said the reasons why accidents occur often on most roads is because of potholes occasioned by poor quality of work by contractors. This is what the Director General of this research institute, this is what he said. You can see that he has categorically said it that accident occurs because of potholes on our road, majorly. Not just because of potholes, but majorly because of potholes that was occasioned by poor quality of work by contractors. This is in line with what the Minister of Works is talking about, talking about road construction within this our side of the world, as in this part of the world, that in a tropical rainforest region, that the best technology to construct road is concrete based technology, and owing to the usage of asphalt, that the imported asphalt is adulterated. So this man, the Director General, has collaborated what the Minister of Work is advocating, but it's just that there are still challenges concerning what the way and manner that the Minister of Works is going about it. And the House of Rep, they are trying to be careful, to avoid much litigation on their own side and to save the any further issues before it will come up. So, but let's continue with what the Director General of this research institute, what he said. According to the DG, the integrity of most roads and bridges in Nigeria are questionable. To address the menace, he said NIBRI had always dispatched a crack team to investigate, a crack team of investigators to ascertain causes of building and road collapse in the country. So, but lacks the power to prosecute the perpetrators because their mandate does not allow them to arrest anybody. So, what is the use of sending crack teams to investigate? Then, after investigation, their mandate cannot allow them to prosecute. Well, if their mandate cannot allow them to prosecute, they can charge the matter to court for prosecution, and subsequent action should follow suit. But however, we are coming to the roundup point. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video. Please and please like this video, share the video so that others can watch with you and be updated. This is the things that you can do, to make our channel have that energy to be producing more videos and update for you. So he did not also end at that. The DG continued. We are, however, optimistic that this visit will open up new vistas of formidable working relationship with our parents' ministry. We believe your presence will yield unquestionable, benefit. He informed the minister that NBRRI has been engaging in some R&D output, such as NBRRI's compressed stabilized earth blocks, NBRRI's Pozzola, bamboo as reinforcement, rubberized asphalt mat for road maintenance, then natural bitumen mix design specification development for road construction, and lastly NBRRI fancy facing tile. Well, with that, we come to the end of this update, and thank you for listening. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.